Hello everyone. I am just wanting to go ahead and do a quick video. I recently ordered stuff from Shein, so I just want to go ahead and go through those things here with you. I already opened the package just so it could be a little bit easier for me. So here are some little buffers that I did receive from them, and there are 50 pieces in here. There's purple, blue, pink, gray, yellow. So that will be easy to use and dispose of for, what you need it for. And then I also have some wood sticks. There are different kinds on there on Shein. There's wood, then there's the plastic ones, and the plastic ones are colored. And I got 2 of these nail stands. I actually think I ordered 3, so I'm going to have to go back and look at my order slip online and see what happened there. I already have a set, so I wanted to have 4 of them. So it's just the stand there, and these are magnetic, so they stand up on that. And I think this one. So yeah, there's same colors. There's actually different colors online as well. I also got these, which are little files. One side is blue, the other side's pink, and there's 100 pieces in here. So that will go together too. And then to do some press-on nails, here is double-sided sticky tape. The length is on there, but it's not in inches, so you kind of just have to figure it out. But there's 2. This one came in a 2-pack. There's other ones too that come in thicker sizes, skinnier sizes than this one. So there you have it. And then I also got this little container. So I got this container so I can put my little white pads in here, or you can put cotton or both, or whatever your container needs are. It's not very big and won't take up too much space. And then I have this. This came in this 6-piece set. So it is, again, on my previous Shein haul, I only ordered 1 of these, which is, I was testing it. So it just comes apart right there. And this is where you put your striping tape. About 3 can fit in here, but I'm just going to put 2. And I just want to say, like previously, there's not a place to cut it, so you're just going to have to use scissors to cut it. And these ones actually interlock, so that's cool. And then I have this little sticker album holder. And I counted the pages, so there's 20 pages. And it's pink. There's other colors on there. There's light blue. I think there was yellow. Anyways, there's quite a few on there. And I didn't know there was a unicorn in the back, because on the picture it just showed the front. And I just want to tell you about Shein that sometimes the descriptions are not fully on there as far as size, length, and stuff like that. So I usually go through the reviews and see if people posted stuff, and which this one somebody did So this is probably the size of a small business card. So your bigger stickers might not fit in these, or you can just cut down the stickers and put them in there. But the ones that I got from Shein, they should be able to fit in these. And then I got this, which is the original reusable adhesive. And you just put it on your fake nail like that, and then put your nail on top of it. And you do your artwork or whatever you need to do. Kind of just give you picture stuff. And obviously it's from a different country, so it's not in English, but you can pretty much just figure it out by, you know, the picture there. And then I also got some nail pieces. This one came with the holder, so that's cool. I didn't have to buy a holder, but I think they do sell holders on Shein, and I totally forgot to look for it, so I might have to order a few of the holders. So this is just clear, and I want to say they're either, yeah, they're oval shape and they're full coverage, and I think these are medium length if I remember. Okay, and then here's some more. I got a few packages of different sizes. See, this one didn't come with a holder. And they should come with all the sizes like this in this bag. And these ones are clear too. This is a size 1. So these are pretty long. They look pretty good. Yeah, so I might have to buy some holders for these ones. All my nails pretty much have holders, so it just helps when you're doing stuff, so you don't have to keep taking it out of this type of packaging. I totally forgot to get them. And here's some more. And these are just almond, I think. See, and it doesn't help that they don't label them. I mean, they label it by number, yes, but they don't label it by the name. But I have my packing slip, so I can go back and make sure I know exactly what shapes I got. And then this is a size 1. So that's like a thumb size. Very cute. And the thing about ordering from them, and this is the first time I've ordered any of these things except for this. So I'm seeing these all for the first time. So there's another package. So these are all different shapes and sizes because I wanted variety. See, and these ones are super tiny. And this is a size 7. And this is a coffin shape, I can see. Oh, there's 2 of them stuck on there. So you can see they're very short. And I was going to mention, like on Shein, when I looked for the bag size, different shapes, they didn't have all of them. Some of them were actually sold out, or I couldn't find them. No, unless I couldn't find them. And then here are some short, round. And this is a size 1, so this would be like a thumb size. See, they're short. Because, you know, sometimes like some people don't like very long nails, they like short. So I thought I'd give those a go and making some of those too. Here's another one. But I'm still on the hunt for a few more. I'm not very like the very long ones, like the extra long ones. I've never done those personally, so I have not purchased any of those. So this is a size 1, and see, that's a little bit longer. That's a square. Oh, there we go. So that's a square size. So if they're long and you're making them for yourself or whatever, or you don't have some short square ones, you can always file it down if you need to. This one, these are all clear. So this one's like the natural looking ones. And these, I believe, are coffin. This is a size 5. So there's that. I might need a little bit bigger one. Yeah, I would, because that doesn't cover it all very well right there. But you get the point. And I opened one earlier, so this is the bag that it came in. And it comes with all the sizes, 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are clear. And I think these are medium. And that's how they look. Yeah, so definitely need to get some holders like this for all of these. Okay, another thing I got is the adhesive tabs. And those would be for press-ons. Actually need to get more than this. I think there's only like maybe 20 in here. And I got this little palette. It's It's not glass, so it's acrylic. It's cute. Use it for mixing stuff, your stamping, or, you know, what have you. They had different colors and different shapes as well. I think they actually did have the glass one. So there's that. And one of the last cool things that I got is this, the rhinestone kit. So all the pricing is pretty reasonable, and I would recommend, if you're just kind of starting out or just want to see what it's about, maybe go look on Shein and see what there is on there. So there's this here. Okay, and then you open here and then open this side. And all these little pieces. And it comes with the little picker here. Take this lid off and use it. Replacement. So yeah, these are all the cool things that I got from Shein. Can't wait to use them. And I hope that you guys are able to see some of the Shein stuff, or let me know about some of your hauls. I love, 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 love watching different types of hauls. So this is a great thing for me to do as well. So I hope you guys are able to see all these things. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'll try to put some of these things on there. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily do the links, but I'm going to put the names of them. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll just go ahead and leave you guys for the day. And I hope you guys have a good one. Thank you.